Hello, welcome back to Blue Design Lab. I am Guru and today we are modeling this unique diamond frame for exercise 23. I will show you how to handle the uniform 15 mm thickness and corner loops using efficient sketch relation. Hit subscribe, open up SOLIDWORKS and get started. So first we need to close this exercise so we can start from a sketch. Select new, select part, okay. Go to sketch and create a center rectangle at any plane like front plane, top plane, right plane. Select top plane. Make the dimension of 214 mm. Go to offset inches and offset it for 15 mm. Select this inches. Select reverse direction. Select OK. Go to sketch and select circle. Create two circles at this point. Set it for 70 mm. Go to trim inches and trim the all extra part. And trim this all entities. Select OK and go to Features tab and extrude it up to 15 mm. Select OK. Go to Appearance tab and select any color. We need to color it. Select OK. And today's and that exercise 23 is complete. If the tutorial helped you out, please drop a like and leave a comment. Don't forget to subscribe to Design Lab for more SolidWorks challenges. I am Guru and see you in the next video. Thank you guys.